Hey guys, it's Carter. I hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. In today's video, we are looking at Target. Right now, the stock is absolutely at a free fall. The stock has gone from $180 all the way to $148 a share in a matter of a couple of hours. So we're going to be looking at what is going on with the company and answering that main question of should you buy this stock. So I hope you guys all enjoy the video. And guys, we are nearing 21,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button like you guys know what to do. So also, we do have the Carter Farr Show. If you guys want to subscribe to that, we are nearing 160 subscribers. That's my podcast. Make sure you guys check that out as well. So guys, let's dive into the video. So what on earth is going on with this company? Well, looking at this article here by CNBC, it explains it really, really well. Pretty much what it says is Target is cutting its fourth quarter outlook after seeing sales slow in late October. So we always see a huge spike, right, in revenue, especially in retail stores at the end of the year. The holiday season is known to be a money goldmine for a lot of these retail companies. But after seeing sales kind of slow down in late October, which is normally when it starts picking up to that holiday season, they're cutting its outlook, right? Meaning they're cutting pretty much their guidance. They're thinking they're going to bring in less money than they originally thought. Okay, not to mention the big box retailer saw sales decline as pretty much families right now are making trade-offs in between what they need and what they want, which is really, really important, right? Not to mention, a couple of years ago, it's easy to spend money when you have $1,400 stimulus checks, when there's a lot of stimulus, when there's a lot of money, when interest rates are low. Right now, what we're seeing is the perfect storm of retail, in kind of like the crash of the economy. We have high inflation. We have high interest rates. We have this weird thing with unemployment where everybody seems to be hiring, but yet no one actually is. It's weird. And not to mention the company plans to cut $3 billion in the next 3 years. So guys, it's a weird time, especially for retail stores. I always think too, what we're going to also see is a slowdown in companies like Walmart, Ford, all these companies that really depend on either credit card users, loans, all that good stuff, because people right now with interest rates being so high are not spending like they normally would. People that would put money on a credit card for maybe a couple months and pay it off are not going to do that. Interest rates are so incredibly high right now, right? A mortgage loan was once 2%, is now 9%. So the rates are crazy high. So I just think right now we're going to see a slowdown in the economy for sure, and we've already started that. But anyways, answering that question of should you buy it, is this going to be more of a short-term thing or a long-term thing? Personally, I think this is going to be more of a short-term thing. Target brings in a lot of money. They're one of the most popular retail stores. We've gotten a sell-off from 262 all the way to 153. Major sell-off, over $100 per share value. And on top of that, right, if we go ahead and we look at the last couple of earnings, so they did very, very well on the revenue on this one. On this one here, did well on revenue. On this one here, missed. So the company is a little more volatile lately, but I honestly believe this is going to be more of a short-term issue that we face with Target. Target is a massive company bringing in billions of dollars. They pay a dividend. They're a strong dividend contender. They make a bulk of their money on, online sales. I think that this is going to be a great stock in the next 2 to 5 years. And yes, we're going to see volatility. We're going to see this thing sell off. We're going to see it, go up and down at rapid rates. But as long as you have that long-term outlook, look at that beautiful upward trend, right? So for me, guys, this short-term sell-off always brings opportunity, but you have to understand opportunity often brings volatility, and I believe that's what we have as well. So we could easily see a couple of earnings, 2 to 3, 4 more earnings that are a little more shaky before we see that buying pressure start stepping in. But for me, I think it's worth the investment. I always keep it under 2% of my portfolio size and $2 cost average it. I'm investing weekly, monthly into the stock to reduce those swings, buying in on those dips. And if this thing starts squeezing up, you always can buy more. And that's kind of my mindset with it, guys. So guys, hope you guys all enjoyed the video. That's what's going on with the company. Answering that question of should you buy it, for me, I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it, especially if you understand that volatility part. So we'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, guys. Stay positive. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.